My son is studying photography and videography at his high school, which is dedicated to these two items. What's the best way to get his foot in the door to work as an assistant with a professional photographer and videographer? Probably one of the best ways, honestly. Like, one, if you're just trying to like get an internship, or one off the top of my head is Craigslist, because there's always opportunities there. Paid, even better if it's paid. If to get like an apprenticeship, I'd say there's nothing wrong with reaching out to your favorite local like videographers, photographers. Like, if you're going old school, like go to a whatever camera shop or photography studio, or if there's any good videographers or photographers local to your area, find their Instagrams, follow them, engage with all their content. Start building a relationship that way. But also create your own work. Show that you've got some basic understanding, because I think the last thing these people want to do is have to train people up when they don't have the time to. So show that you've got a body of work, even though it's not paid. Show that, because I think for me, when it comes to like hiring people, like I need to see proof of concept. I need to see that you can do a YouTube style video, a documentary style video, video for social media. That matters to me. You can start the conversation, just like, hey, love your work, would love an opportunity to apprentice or be an assistant.
Hi everyone, my name is Camilo and I'm one of the editors for Vision Paradox. I edit mainly video, but I have a background in photography and sometimes it comes in handy. I really think the best way is to have passion projects. That way you can practice what you aspire to do in the future, and also you can start connecting with people. If you like films, try making a short film and focus especially in the part of the process you want to master, whether it is lighting, camera work, editing, script writing, etc.